I hope there's gonna be a difference. I hope they'll make a difference.
The drugs will stop a bit, the shooting will stop. How they big guns for no reason. They need to stand up and work with the community because we are tired. They are standing around. How long are they gonna be trying to come and trying to protect our communities? Because the moment they leave, it's back to normal.
Oh,